Hello, this video is for the Brightspace plugin and creating course resources. I'm going to show you how to create links within your Brightspace and link them directly to LabSim. So in order to do this, you should get the Brightspace plugin installed by your admin. But the first thing that you would do once you get that done is you'll come to the course builder and the TestOut Brightspace plugin tool. So there's two places that you can access this this course builder. You can go to course tools, course admin, and then go to the course builder. The other option is go to content, go to the table of contents, and do the drop down here and go to course builder. Once you're in the course builder, you're going to see that the TestOut link or the plugin there on the left hand side. This plugin, as you can see here, you would drag and drop it into any of the modules that you want to place the content into. So if I want to place stuff into chapter 1, then I would drag and I would drop it into 1, or vice versa into any others. So I'm going to drag and drop this into chapter 5 because it's blank, and I'm going to add the course resources to chapter 5. From here, you're going to see activation codes, license pools, and these 4 different buttons. We're going to be using this top button, but as soon as you switch that to activation codes, it'll be placed up here. Now, let me speak about the difference between school license pools and the activation codes. Most of our schools use these activation codes. Essentially, this is how is your student accessing TestOut. Do they stick in an activation code, or do they get automatic access on day 1? With the school license pools, typically this is when schools will include the price of LabSim, of their LabSim courseware, in their tuition or a fee attached to it, something like that, and then we'll either bill you up front for a certain amount or do end of month billing. If you click on this and this list is blank, it's because your school does not do school license pools. If you think you should, then contact your TestOut account manager. Going to the activation codes, most of our schools again do use this. To do activation codes, you would need an ISBN. You can find that from going to testout.com, going to courses, course catalog, and then you can come down and you can copy and paste any of these ISBNs. I'm going to use PC Pro, copy and paste. And from here, you're going to see the product up here with the version number. If you have already built existing resources, then you would not be able to change the version number. You'll be locked into whatever you've already built. So in this case, 6.0.5 is the latest. Beneath that, you're going to see the chapters, and you're going to see the sections with the course resources underneath that. You're going to see all of the different icons next to each of the resources. These icons help identify what type of resource you would be adding into your Brightspace course. So to review these icons, you have a demonstration, a practice question, a text lesson, a lab simulation, and a video. We highly recommend only adding in the lab simulations and practice questions. That's because these are good gradable items, but anything could work. Now, just to note, by adding these, all you're doing is adding a gradebook item. It's not necessarily locking them into that resource. Once your students select any assignment, they will have access to all resources, videos, text lessons, demonstrations. It does not matter. All we're doing now is building your gradebook. Click continue. From here on the left hand side, you're going to see all of the whether or not you want to grade it or ungrade it. So you can build links to things and not grade them. Though if you uncheck these, again, they won't show up in your gradebook. From here, click and continue. It should be created fairly quick. We highly recommend just doing a few assignments at a time. if I go into chapter 5, you're going to see all of those. I added chapter 4 into chapter 5, but you're going to see all those assignments that I just added. If I went to the content and went to chapter 5, you're going to see those assignments that I just built. Now, one thing, if you happen to mess up and you need to delete some of these, you need to go back into your course admin and go to the external learning tools, and you need to delete these one by one. Okay. Another thing I want to show you really quick is the gradebook, just to show you what this would look like. So I'm going to go to manage grades, and you're going to see all those grade items that are in here. These ones here are the ones that I just created. You can edit the point values. You can we send over a percentage, so whatever you edit them to is fine. You can also edit the names. Essentially, we just need that external tool link, and we're good from there. All right, this is how to build your course resources. Thank you and good luck. Bye.